Nuruddin Sumro is a teacher, educationist, writer, and sportsman of Shikarpur who has rendered excellent services in the field of education and personality. He was born on 7th January 1983 in Shikarpur. From his childhood, he showed special interest in knowledge, literature, science, and sports. For the promotion of education, he founded Noor Institute of English Language Shikarpur on 19 June 2009, which is known as an important institution for improving English language learning and communication skills over time. Through this institution, many students have received training in English grammar, communication, words, and personality. Nuruddin Sumro is also known as the author. His book Noor English Grammar has become popular among students and teachers, with several editions published. A unique feature of this book is that a QR code is added to each tutorial, which allows the reader to scan and access the relevant video tutorials. Such a facility has proved to be especially beneficial for those students who want to get quality education while staying away from big cities. Another book of his, Noor Early English Language, is also considered useful for learning students. Along with education and writing, Nuruddin Sumro has also been active in the field of sports. He participated in sports like cricket, bodybuilding, and weightlifting and excelled at various levels. He has also got the honor of Mr. Shikarpur. His academic, literary, social, and sports services have been appreciated by various institutions, for which he has received many honors, certificates of appreciation, and awards. Later, he won the EBA exam and served as a government teacher. Nuruddin Sumro is one of those personalities who made the education, study, training, and guidance of the youth the goal of his life. His educational and teaching services are of special importance in Shikarpur and surrounding areas.